Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do another quick guess what's in the box video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So we're just going to do a quick guess what's in the box video. This box, I got some tracking number in an email. I'm not really sure what it is. This one, it was an Amazon tracking number of all things, but the box isn't an Amazon box. And according to the box, it says Hulkman Direct. So I'm assuming it's got something to do with the Hulkman jumpers. It says 172 Trade Street, Lexington, Kentucky. Which is odd because the tracking number that I got in an email came from Texas. Austin, Texas. And it was One Day Air. But we're going to measure it real quick. And you guys can tell me in the comments what you think it is. So this is 12 inches long by 6 3/4 of an inch wide by 9 1/4 inches tall. It's not very heavy, it's kind of light. It says it's 6 pounds, but it doesn't feel like it's 6 pounds. It feels like maybe it's a pound. I did get two Hulkman Alpha 85S jump packs from them. The first one I got, I did some videos on it, and realized there was some kind of issue with the charging. I thought maybe it was the unit, and then come to find out, I did a little recording on my phone to show that there was a problem, and it wasn't the unit, it was the charger. And I contacted Hulkman and I told them, hey, and I sent them that short little 20-30 second video. I said, there's a problem with the charger, can I get another charger? Instead of sending me a charger, they sent me a whole new Alpha 85S unit, which came with a charger. So I have two complete units, one that has a bad charger and one that has a good charger. And the way I showed that was that I plugged in other cables, other chargers, like this Milwaukee top off right here, plugged that into it, wiggled the cable, no issues. That's one way you can tell if there's a charger that has an issue or if it's a charging port. If it's a charging port, no matter what cable you plug in, a specific direction of the cable being pulled in a certain direction, it's going to always turn off the unit you're trying to charge. If other cables don't have an issue when you wiggle them or move them, then it's not the charging port, it's the cable. So that's how I deemed it was the cable. I was expecting just a charger, you know, $15, $20 charger or whatever they charge for it. And they sent me a whole new unit. And I did in one of the videos complain that for the price of these jumpers, the 85 Alpha S is $249 according to their page. It's $199 on Amazon. For that price, I kind of expected that you get a case or something to hold all that stuff. I've left both of the ones I've got in two different vehicles in the original box they came in because there was no case. And you know, 99% of all jumpers on Amazon you can physically pay, like some of them are $50 and you get a case. Some of them are less, some of them are like $42. But excuse me. Sorry about that. My problem with it is that 99% of all jump packs that you get on Amazon, they all come with a case, ranging from $40-something to $90. You can get a case with them for free. For something this high price, I expect a case. This might be a case, I don't know, but leave your guesses down below. It's not very heavy, but one last thing, like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification. As always, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below, I do have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys use that, it will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. And I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that watch, the people that like, dislike, the people that comment, people that watch the ads on the channel, as well as the people that use the affiliate links. It helps bring money to the channel, which is extremely helpful because the channel is monetized, and it does help me bring items to the channel. The channel is now purchasing items. We got several different brands of tools we're going to be doing tool testing on. Got Makita 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2. Makita 40 volt and 80 volt coming to the channel as well. We have DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. We have Bosch 18 core, 18 volt. We have Earthquake XT 20 volt, as well as the pneumatic tools. We also have Milwaukee M12, M18, Metabo 18 volt and 36 volt. Well, Metabo HPT Hitachi power tools 18 and 36 volt, and regular Metabo tools as well. So we're going to be putting those head to head. We're going to be buying wood with the channel money. We're going to be buying other things for the channel. Need to get 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for the channel for the wood, so we can start doing demos. And it's all thanks to you guys, so I want to say thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!